Possessive adjectives. My is for I. His is for he. Her is for she. It's for it. Their for they. Our for we. Your for you. She is a teacher. Blank. Students are good. Which adjective should we use here? Well, we need to see the subject it refers to. She. She takes her, so her. She is a teacher. Her students are good. Ben has a brother. Blank name is Tom. The subject here is Ben, means he, and he takes his, so the answer is his. Ben has a brother. His name is Tom. We love cycling. Cycling is blank hobby. Look at we here. We takes our, so the answer is our. Cycling is our hobby. I have a lot of books. Blank books are great. Here is I, and I takes my, so we write my here. I have a lot of books. My books are great. You need to go back. Blank mom is calling. Starting with you here, and you takes your, so the answer is your. Your mom is calling. Can you answer 6 and 7, guys? Write your answer in the comments. Me versus I. Kate and me, or I, went to the mall. Kate went to the mall with I or me. Sam went to the mall with Kate and I or me. What do you think, guys? How to choose between me and I? Well, let me tell you a secret. Me comes after the verb, but I comes before the verb. The verb here is went, went, went. Here, which one comes before the verb? Look, before the verb is I, so the answer is I. I guess 90% of you went for me here, right? Wrong answer, it's I. Here, it comes after the verb. Like here, after the verb, so the answer is me. Also here, it comes after the verb. Like here again, so the answer is me. There is another hint to choose me, guys. When it comes after a preposition. Like of, for, to, with, like here, then me, and with here, then me. Now you answer this one. Mary and I, or me, go to school together. Let me see your answers. This is my book, not your, not yours. Which one fits here, my friends? Your or yours? Well, let me tell you the difference between them. Your belongs to the possessive adjectives, but yours is a possessive pronoun. The possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your, while the possessive pronouns are mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, yours. They're a bit similar with tiny differences, like my here, but mine here. His is the same here and here, and we add s to the rest of them. Hers, ours, theirs, yours, as you see. Okay, how to use each of them in the sentence? Easy peasy. These ones must be followed by a noun. There should be a noun after them. But these ones, the noun comes before them, not after. Before them. That's it, no more. Here we say my book, his book, her book, our book, their book, your book. Notice the noun book comes after all of them. But here, the noun book comes before them. Like we say, this book is mine. This book is his, and so on. Get it or not? Well, if you still don't understand, listen. In the question, if there is a noun after the space, choose one of these. But if the noun comes before the space, choose one of these. Like here in the question, the noun book comes before the space. Like here, the noun comes before the space. So we choose the one with is in the end, yours. This is the answer, guys. Now you answer this question. Give this phone to your sister. It's her or hers. Let me see your answers in the comments. Can you answer this question? The boy gave a nice gift to blank sister. His sister or her sister. So we all know that his refers to a male or a boy. Her refers to a female. But here you see the boy, which is a male, and sister, which is a female. So we have a male and a female in the same sentence. Which one do we follow? Well, the rule is his or her refer to the subject that comes before them. So we follow the boy here. He's a male, so we use his. Now you answer this question. She gave the money to blank uncle. His uncle or her uncle. You have here she, female, and uncle, male. So what's the answer then? Write your answer in the comments. We made blank mistakes, so we lost. Too many, too much. What's the difference? Well, too is followed by an adjective. We say too hot, too sweet. Too many is followed by a countable noun. Nouns that we can count, like eggs, countable, people, countable, too much uncountable noun, like salt, coffee. We cannot count them. Here, mistakes is a countable noun. And with countable nouns, we use too many. I forgot my phone. Can I use your? Can I use yours? What's the difference? Your needs a noun after it, but yours does not need a noun. No noun here. Here we say, can I use and blank? No noun here, just a question mark. So we use yours here. Can I use yours? Or can I use your phone? Because your needs a noun, but yours does not. Let me write the whole list here for you. We say, this is my phone, but this phone is mine. This is his phone, but this phone is his. This is her phone, but this phone is hers. This is our phone, but this phone is ours. This is their phone, but this phone is theirs. This is your phone, but this phone is yours. These are possessive adjectives, and they need a noun after them. And these are possessive pronouns, and no noun needed after them. You answer this one. This is not your t-shirt. It's my or it's mine. Remember, there is no noun here. Which one does not need a noun? My or mine? Look here and answer. My sister and I always help ourselves or help each other. Here I say my sister, here she is, and I, here I am. We help, I help her, and she helps me. Here we say we help each other or we help one another. We say this when each one does the same thing to the other. I help her and she helps me, right? This is also when we have bigger groups. Like here, we say they help each other, they talk to each other, they play with each other, and so on. So the answer is each other or one another. I like speaking with me, or I like speaking with I, or with myself. Listen guys, when the subject of the sentence, this first word, is the same as the object, if they're the same, we use here reflexive pronouns. With I, use myself. With he, use himself. With she, herself. We, ourselves. You, yourself, and so on. So the answer here is myself. You answer this one. 2 police cars crashed into one another or crashed into themselves. So here are 2 cars. This crashed into this, and this crashed into this. So follow this rule and answer. Thank you for watching.